back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me. So I've been asked to do a small 8x10 string pull. So the colours I've been asked to use are grey background with blue and gold. Now originally I was asked for a light blue as well as a dark blue, but to be honest, on a grey background you're going to struggle with the light blue because they wanted it like a really light powder blue, and I think you're just going to struggle to see it, so we decided to go and stick with dark blue. So I'm just, as you can see there, popping the string into the cups to soak. I hope you saw it. I'm sure you did. Yeah. To soak in, and I'm just going to put the background on and
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. You pick the station, sunrise, no destination, no lie. I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Outside.
So I wasn't happy the way this was going at all. There was something wrong when I pulled it through, and I couldn't figure it out. I decided to scrape, put some more base coat on and try again. And it was while I was scraping and laying down the new base coat that I realised why the blue wasn't working and the gold was. It was the string. So the string on the blue was quite thick, and really for this size canvas it was too thick. So I decided to use the same string for the blue as I had for the gold.
It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should